In this video, I am going to show you how to add videos in WordPress website. So let's get started. So at first we are going to log into our WordPress website, and then from the left menu we are going to click on post and then click on all posts. And now we are going to edit the post where we want to add our video. At first we are going to see how we can embed YouTube videos in our WordPress posts. So we are going to click on this plus icon from here. And after that we are going to search for YouTube, and then we are going to select this widget, and now we are going to add the URL of our YouTube video, and after that we are going to click on embed, and as you can see that our video is now added to our WordPress website. Now if you want to upload the video from your computer directly to your WordPress website, then click on plus button again and search for video. Now click on this video widget. Scroll down, now click on upload. Now select the video from your computer and then click on open. I will highly recommend you to upload videos on YouTube and then embed them to your WordPress website. Uploading videos directly to your WordPress website will decrease the page speed of your WordPress website. And as you can see that our video from our computer is also added to our WordPress website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.